Hello friends, welcome to Idu Sindhu's Time channel. Today we have to discuss about the book back answers for the lesson Economic Biology for grade 9. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. The production and management of fish is called pisciculture. The correct answer is pisciculture. And the second one, which one of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? The correct answer is Sahiwal. Third one, which one of the following is an Italian species of honeybee? The correct answer is Apis mellifera. Fourth one, which one of the following is not an Indian major carp? The correct answer is Singara. Fifth one, drones in the honeybee colony are formed from dash. The correct answer is fertilized egg. Which one of the following is an high milk yielding variety of cow? The correct answer is Holstein Friesian. Seventh one, which Indian variety of honeybee is commonly used for apiculture? The correct answer is Apis indica. Dash is a method of growing plants without soil. The correct answer is hydroponics. Ninth one, the symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is dash. The correct answer is Mycorrhizae. Tenth one, the plant body of mushroom is dash. The answer is leaf. Then the Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Quinine drug is obtained from dash. The correct answer is Cinchona officinalis. And the second one, Carica papaya leaf can cure dash disease. Answer is dengue. 13th one, vermicompost is a type of soil made by dash and microorganisms. The correct answer is earthworms. 14th one, dash refers to the culture of prawns, pearl, unedible oysters. The correct answer is aquaculture. 15th one, the largest member in a honeybee hive is a dash. 17th one, dash is a method of culturing different varieties of fish in a water body. The correct answer is polyculture. My dear students, next the Roman letter 3, that is state whether the true or false. If false, correct this given statement. The first one, Mycorrhiza is a algae. The correct answer is false. So, the correct statement is Mycorrhiza is a fungi. The second one, milch animals are used in agriculture and transport. The correct answer is false. The correct statement is milch animals are domesticated for obtaining only milk. Third one, Apis florea is a rock bee. The answer is false. The correct statement is Apis florea is a little bee. The next fourth Roman letter, differentiate the following: exotic breed, indigenous breed. The first one, exotic breeds are imported from foreign countries. But here, indigenous breeds are native to India. Second one, exotic breed. These foreign breeds are selected for long location period. But indigenous breed, these local breeds show excellent resistance to disease. Example for exotic is Jersey, Brown Swiss, and Holstein Friesian is example for exotic. And here indigenous Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Dioni, and Gir. These are all the example for indigenous breed. So this is the difference between exotic and indigenous breed. The next one, pollen and nectar. Pollen is a fine to a coarse, powdery substance comprising pollen grains which are male microgametophytes of seed plants which produce male gamete. This is about the pollen. And here the nectar. It is a sweet viscous secretion secreted by the flowers of a plant. அதாவது நம்ம தேன் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, that is a nectar. It is a sweet viscous secretion secreted by the flower of the plant. The next differentiate shrimp and prawn. Shrimp has lamellar gills, but the prawns have branching gills. Shrimp have claws and 2 of the 5 pairs of legs. Here the prawn, it have claws on 3 of the 5 pairs of legs. This is the differentiation of shrimp and prawn. The next differentiate farmyard manure and sheep manure. First one, farmyard manure. Well decomposed farmyard manure contains 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% available phosphate, and 0.5% available potash. Here the sheep manure. It contains 3% of nitrogen, 1% phosphorus pentoxide, and 2% of potassium oxide. This is the differentiation of farmyard manure and sheep manure. Roman letter 5. Match the following. Lobster. The correct answer is shellfish. Second one, cutla. The second one, the correct answer is finfish. A third one, sea bass. The correct answer is marine fish. Fourth one, oysters. The correct answer is pearl. Fifth one, pokali. The correct answer is paddy. Sixth one, Pleurotus apes. The correct answer is oyster. That is oyster mushroom. The next one, Sarpanganda. The correct answer is reserve pine. The next one, Oriculture. The correct answer is vegetable farming. And the last one is Ringletintoria. The correct answer is psoriasis. Roman letter 6. Answer in brief. What are the secondary metabolites? The answer is secondary metabolites are organic compounds produced by bacteria, fungi, or plants which are not directly involved in the normal growth, development, or reproduction of the organisms. Second one, what are the types of the vegetable gardens? Vegetable farming can be classified into 3 types. There are kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening, and the last one is vegetable foraging. Then the third one, mention any 2 mushroom preservation method. We can preserve mushrooms in any of the following methods. The first one is your freezing, second one is your drying, third one is your canning, fourth one is your vacuum cooling, and the fifth one is your gamma radiation and storing at 15 degrees Celsius. The fourth question, enumerate the advantages of vermicompost over chemical fertilizer. The answer, it is a rich source of nutrients essential for plant growth. It makes the soil fertile. It helps to prevent soil erosion. It contains valuable vitamins, enzymes, and growth yield of plants. It enhances the decomposition of organic matter in soil. Vermicompost is free from pathogens and toxic elements. Vermicompost is rich in beneficial microflora. The fifth question, what are the species of earthworm used for vermiculture? The answer, earthworms for vermicompost. Indian blue worm, Perionyx excavatus. Second one, a red worm, Ezinia fetida. And the third one, African nightcrawler, Epiphyllus eugnena. These are the three types of vermicompost earthworms. Then the sixth one, list the medicinal importance of honey. The answer, uses of honey. Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is a blood purifier. It helps in building up of hemoglobin contents in the blood. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. It prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. It is a remedy for ulcer of tongue, stomach and intestine. It enhances digestion and appetite. Answer in detail. Enumerate the advantages of hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using mineral nutrients solutions in water. The advantages of hydroponics: conservation of water and nutrients, controlled plant growth. In desert and Arctic region, hydroponics can be an effective alternative method. The second question, what are the types of the vegetable gardens? Vegetable farmings can be classified into kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening and vegetable fusing. Third one, define mushroom culture. Explain the mushroom cultivation method. Mushroom cultivation. It is a technology of growing mushrooms using plant, animal and industrial waste. Major states of mushroom cultivation: composting, the preparation method. Mix paddy straw with cow dung and inorganic fertilizers. Keep at 50 degrees Celsius for 1 week. Second method is your spying method. Spawn is a mushroom seed, and by using this, the preparation is growing fungal mycelium in grains under sterile conditions. Spawn is sown on the compost. The third one, casing. Compost supports the growth of mushrooms through humidity and helps with temperature regulation. Then the fourth method is pinning. Mycelium starts to form little buds, that is nothing but pins. These little white buds developed into mushrooms. And the last one, fifth one is a harvesting. Temperature 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. The mushroom grows 3 cm in a week. After 3 weeks, they can be harvested. What are the sources of organic resources for vermicomposting? Biologically degradable organic waste are used as potential organic resources for vermicomposting. There are agricultural waste, crop residues, leaf litters, fruit and vegetable waste, animal waste, and biogas slurry. The next one, give an account of different types of fish ponds used for rearing fishes. There are different types of ponds are there. The first one is a breeding ponds. Healthy and sexually matured male and female fishes are collected and introduced in the pond for breeding. Second one, hatchling ponds. The fertilized eggs are transferred from breeding ponds to hatchling pits for hatchling. So, there is two types of pits. The first one is a hatcheries. Second one is a hatching hapas. The next one, nursery ponds. Hatchings are transferred from hatching pits after 2 to 7 days. The hatchings grow into fry and are cultured for about 60 days with a proper feedings till they reach 2 to 2.5 centimeter in length. The next one, rearing ponds. The fish is transferred from a nursery pond to rearing ponds and are maintained for about 3 months till they reach 10 to 15 centimeter in length. And the next one, stocking pond. These ponds are used to rear fingerlings up to marketable size. A pond is manured with organic manure and inorganic fertilizers. The next question, classify the different breeds of cattle with suitable example. Cattle breeds. The Indian cattle includes cows and buffaloes. They are domesticated for milk, meat, leather, and transportation. They belong to two different species, Bos indicus and Bos bubulus. They are classified into three types: dairy breeds, draft breeds, dual purpose breeds. Dairy breeds. Dairy animals are domesticated for obtaining milk. The cows are high milk yielders. They include Shaiwal, Red Sindhi, Deoni, and Gir. These local breeds animal show excellent resistance to diseases. The exotic breeds, that is, Bos standardus, are imported from foreign countries. They include Jersey, Brown Swiss, and Holstein Friesian, etc. These foreign breeds are selected for long lactation periods. The Indian breeds and foreign breeds can be crossbred to produce animals with both desired quantities. Dove or draft breeds. They are used for agriculture work such as tilling, irrigation, and carting. These include Amrit Mahal, Kangeyam, Amlacheri, Malvi, Siri, and Helica breeds. Bullocks are good draft animals. Dual purpose breeds. These breeds provide milk and they are useful for farm work. In India, cows are fairly good milk yielders and bullocks are good for draft works. They included Haryana, Ongoli, Kangreji, and Tarparkar. Buffalo breeds. In India, buffaloes are domesticated and milk producers than the cow. Murrah, Mexana, and Sarti are indigenous buffalo breeds which are good milk yielders. என்ன ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்களா? யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்ததா? வெரி குட். இனி நம்ம சேனலில் ஒரு சின்ன சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதாவது எஜுகேஷன் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் வேறு சில இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான டாபிக்ஸும் இனி நம்ம சேனலில் அப்லோட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஷூராக இது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ரெகுலராக நம்ம சேனல் பார்க்குறவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கீழே உள்ள பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போடுற வீடியோஸ் உடனுக்குடன் உங்களை வந்து சேரும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.